how to hide your story from specific users on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your story from a specific users. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and click on your profile, scroll down and click on privacy. You have the last option, which is you have the second before the last option, which is story audience. Click on it and choose friends only and click on hide story from. Now they're gonna give you a list of your friends, your Facebook friends, and choose users that you want to hide a story from and click on done, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.